So looking at this, we got to remember that this is 25%, this is 25%, this piece is 25%, and this piece is 25%. So between 0 and 6 hours, so that's between 0 and 6, well, there's 3 25%, so that is 75% of data lies between 0 and 6 hours of exercise. It means 75% of people get between 0 and 6 hours of exercise last week. All right, did the same number of adults spend 3 to 6 hours exercising as 6 to 12? Well, let's look. 3 to 6, that's this one to this one, so that's 25%. And 6 to 12 is another 25%, so yes. Because 3 to 6 is one interval in the box and whisker. Helps if I can spell correctly. And 6 to 12 is another interval. Okay, there is no other dots. It is not a single, it is just a single. So this is the quartile 3, and this is the box, and this is the whisker part. So each of those is 25%. So is it more likely to find adults that exercise more than 3 hours per week or less than 1.5 hours per week? So let's erase all of this because it's getting a little confusing. All right, so which it's more likely, 3 hours per week or less? I'm sorry, more than 3 hours per week. So here's 3. More than 3 hours, well, that's 50% because it's 2 of these. All right, or less than 1.5 per week. So here's 1.5, and that's only 25%. Well, 50 is more likely than 25. So 50%. All right, so it's more likely. Right, let's see. It's more likely to find adults who exercise more than 3 hours per week because it is 50% of the data. While adults who exercise less than 1.5 hours per week is only 25% of the data. And there we go. That's lesson 6.3.